Hi everyone, I am Azren the Language Nerd. Today we will talk about food and different words to describe food. Well, let's start. My favorite word to describe food is the word sweet. For example, chocolate, if you can see, there we go, chocolate or chocolate chips are very sweet. I like chocolate. Another flavor that I like is spicy. Let me show you. This one is chili powder. Chili powder is very spicy. So if I take chili powder, it's very spicy. If you eat spicy food, you need water. That's better. Sometimes food has lots of salt. Look at this one. This is salt. If food has lots of salt, it is salty. So, I don't like food with lots of salt. Another word we can use for food and drink is hot. For example, tea. If you look here, this one says tea. Tea is hot. So here I have tea. When I drink it, it is very, very hot. Other foods and other drinks can be cold. For example, milk is cold. Sometimes food can be crunchy. For example, food can also be sour. Here is an example. This is lemon juice. Lemon juice is very sour. Let's taste it. I don't like sour food. Now we will do a test. Look at this food. This one has chili pepper. What flavor do you think it has? Let's look at this food. This is a carrot. How would you describe the carrot? What about this food? Take a look. This one, can you see? Hard to see. It is white. This is sugar. What does sugar taste like? What about this one? What flavor does an orange have? Well, everybody, I hope you learned a couple of different words. I appreciate your attention. Thank you for watching. Let me know in the comments what other kinds of videos you want to see from me, and we will talk next time. Bye for now. See you.